Irrational numbers between the rational numbers a and b is root ab. Example, the irrational numbers between the rational numbers 3 and 4 is the product of these two numbers, which is 3 and 4, so it's 12. The irrational number between the rational number 3 and 4 is root 12. So, if you have to find the irrational number between any two rational number, just find the product of it. And we get only one irrational number between these two rational numbers. Suppose if you want to get more irrational numbers between the rational numbers, then start doing this. Between 3 and 4, the numbers are 3.1, 3.2, 3.3, 3.4, etc. till 3.9, and after 3.9 it is 4. Now this is a rational number. And we have to list out the irrational numbers between these rational numbers. So for that, remind that irrational numbers are the numbers which are non-terminating and non-repeating numbers. So we have to write the irrational number in such a way it is that non-repeating and non-terminating. So let's take this number 3.1 and write it as a non-terminating and non-repeating numbers. So just write 0, 1, 0, 0, 1. It should not repeat. Make sure it is not repeating. Then etc. as it is non-terminating. And the next irrational number between this 3 and 4 is, we can take the 3.2 and 0.2. So now these are irrational. So to list out the irrational number between two rational numbers, just write like this, and then after that just show it as a non-terminating and non-repeating number. Now let's see how to list out the irrational number between these two rational numbers. The rational numbers are in the form of p by q. So to find the rational numbers, first take this number 1 divided by 7 and find a decimal expansion of it. So it's added 1. By decimal expansion, we got 1 by 7 is equal to 0.142 and 9.9 divided by 11 is 0.81. So now the irrational number between these will be, after 0.14 it is 0.15, then 0.16, 0.17, it goes on till 0.81. So you can write 81, before will be 0.80. So let's take the two digits. After a decimal expansion, the first two digits. And this number, for irrational number, we have to show it as non-terminating and non-repeating. So let's do it like this: 0, 1, 0, 0, 1. And it is non-terminating. So the irrational number between these two numbers are just this. Show it as a non-terminating and non-repeating numbers. That's it. So to list out irrational numbers between the rational numbers, which is of p by q form, just divide this and find the decimal expansion. After that, write the numbers in between these two digits, 14, 14 and 81. Between 14 and 81, 14 and 81, there are 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21 and 79, 80, then 81. These two digits. And the remaining digits you have to show it as a non-repeating and non-terminating number, because these are irrational numbers.